Students, now page 31, example 21. Okay, it says given a dictionary that stores the section name list as value for section key and contribution amounts list as value for country key. Okay, so this is given. All right, now we are supposed to write code to create and display the data frame using above dictionary. So this is given in the book. Okay, and this is the output given. All right, I have executed that part. I will show you. You can see here, this is import pandas numpy. Also dict1 is created with section and country as the keys, and there are 4 values in each. All right, now this dict1 is passed into data frame function. This is data frame function I have passed. Okay, and then you see this one is, it is printed, so this is the output. Okay, now we come to the next one, that is, you see, that is creating data frame from a 2D dictionary. Okay, 2D dictionary having values as dictionary objects. You can see here this example, people has got 2, you see, keys, sales and marketing. Each key has got, you see, that is inside keys and values. Okay, sales department, suppose there are 2 departments, sales and marketing, in one company. So sales department also has got 3 keys, name, age and sex, and marketing department also has got the same keys, name, age and sex, under which the values are being stored. So you can see here this way. So this data can be very well organized in this form. Okay, this data can be very well organized in this form. All right, so for this I too have created. Okay, I will show you this one. You see the same thing, people, sales and marketing, 2 departments, and they have got the keys inside, that is name, age and sex for sales, same thing for marketing also. All right, and then you see this people, you see, I have passed into this people, this dictionary object I have passed into data frame function. All right, and then this is I have printed, and this is the output. You can see here. Okay, this is the output. Now dear students, page 31. Okay, the end, that is example 22. Example 22 says create and display data frame from a 2D dictionary cells which stores the quarter-wise cells as in a dictionary for 2 years as shown below. Okay, so this is the, they have given you the cells, that is dictionary, year 1, year 2, these are the keys. Within year 1, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. These are the keys and the cells made. At the same time, same keys are there in year 2 also. Okay, and then you see this is the that is the program, the solution given by Sumita Arora. Okay, cells, this dictionary is created. You can see here, this is the dictionary created. All right, and then you can see the cells object is passed. The cells object is passed in the this one, that is, you can see here, this cells object is passed here, data frame function. All right, and then it is printed. Okay, and df cells is created, data frame, you see, one where object is created, and that is printed here. Okay, now I will show you the, that is output, my program and the output. Okay, just see here my program. You can see here, this is my program. I have done same thing. Okay, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, the values are assigned, and year 1 and year 2 are the keys within that 2D dictionary it is. Okay, now df cells is passed in this. Okay, and then you can see here this df cells, it gets cells as the argument for data frame function. All right, and then df cells is printed. Okay, and the output is this. Okay, So this is the output. Okay, year 1, year 2, they become they become the column names. Okay, whereas you see quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, they become the row names. Okay, now we come to the next, that is this one. Page number, it is now 32. Page 32. You can see here, this is given, something very interesting is given. It says, in the above example, notice one thing, as the key of the, that is the inner dictionaries. Okay, that is year 1, year 2 are exactly the same in number and names. Okay, so the data frame object DAF cells also has the same number of indices. Okay, but you see, when we have now here, if you see that here we have, you see this one, what is written is here. Okay, they have got the same indices, it says. Okay, now but if we see that the keys are different, they are not matching, then what will happen? If the keys are not matching, now you see, had there been a situation where inner dictionaries had non-matching keys, then in that situation, or in that case, Python would have done following things. Number 1, there would have been total number of indices or indexes equal to sum of unique keys. Okay, unique inner keys. Alright, then you see, next one is, second one is, for a key that has no matching keys in other inner, you see, dictionaries, value NaN would be used to depict the missing values. Okay, would be used to depict the missing values. Okay, so here collect 1 is this. Okay, it has got 2 keys, year 1, year 2. Collect 2 is year 1 and nil. Okay, then collect is one which is, you see, 2D dictionary made by collect 1 and collect 2. Alright, collect 1 and collect 2. Alright, now you see, that is, when you see this one, that is, you can see here the output, when this is passed, this collect, you see, dictionary object is passed and DF is created, then, and DF is when printed, when DF is this printed, okay, then you can see here, this is the output. This is the output, you can see. Okay, what it becomes? First and second, they become the column names, whereas nil, YR1 and YR2, this way they become the, you see, that is the row names. Why nil first? Because it begins from N, then YR1 and then YR2. Okay, so this is it. Now we come to the, this one, this is, I have executed. You can see here, this one, same thing, I have executed. Okay, now its output I'll show you. This is the output. Okay, now same as your book. Now we come to the last part. Okay, that is last means last part of this page 32. You see here, it is, there is a question. It says, carefully read the following code. You are supposed to read this following code carefully. Alright, and then you are supposed to answer 2 questions. First is, list the index labels of the data frame DF3. So you can see these, the keys are not matching at all. Keys are not matching, so they are going to be in the dictionary order. Okay, first answer will be, they are going to be in the dictionary order A, B. Alright, after that Q3, Q4, then QTR1, QTR2, then QTR3 we don't have, QTR2, then we don't have QTR3, QTR4 directly. Okay, so you can see here, yes, this is given here, this is the answer given, you can see here, this one. Okay, this is A, B, then you can see here A, B, Q3, Q4, QTR1, QTR2, QTR4. Okay, this one. Alright, then second question is, list the column names of data frame DF3. column names are going to be 1 and 2, because you can see here this code is very important. Okay, these two dictionaries are passed as you see inner dictionaries of 1 and 2 keys. Okay, key 1 and key 2. Alright, so that's why the answer is going to be, the column names are going to be 1 and 2. Column names, they are going to be 1 and 2. Okay, so you can see here column names are going to be 1 and 2. I'll show you 1 and 2. Okay, now students, now we have to create data frame object from list of, you see, that is dictionaries or list. Okay, now we need 2D list to create data frame object. We need 2D list, we need 2D dictionary. Why so? Because data frame itself is two-dimensional. We have got rows and columns, so that's why we need any data structure which is a 2D data structure. Okay, now we see here import, that is import statement is there. After that we have created these many dictionaries. Okay, these are all the dictionaries. All right, they are all the dictionaries created. Okay, topper 1, topper A, topper B, topper C, topper D. Okay, now these dictionaries are, you see, together they are forming, this is a 2D list. This is 2D list. Okay, this is being formed by this, you see, that is the statement toppers becomes a 2D list, and this 2D list is passed in this. Okay, in to create data frame object we have passed this 2D list toppers. Okay, and then we have printed top df this. Okay, now when we have printed, see the output. Okay, what it happens is output. How is the output? You can see here indices are by default 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and roll number, name and marks, they become the, you see, they become here the column names. Alright, now here there are so many, these two, these are there. You just see, check this one. What does it say? See, the keys of inner dictionary have made the columns of the data frame, and see the value. Okay, see the values of inner dictionary have made the rows of the data frame. Have you got? Okay, now we come to the next one. This one I have executed. You can see this is the dictionaries. Okay, four dictionaries are passed. Okay, and they have become the list. All right, and then you see it is printed. Now okay, this is my coding. All right, now this is the same coding. Then we see the output. This is the output. Indices are by default 0, 1, 2, 3, but roll number, name and marks, they are the keys of the dictionaries. Okay, now we come to the next. That is, you see here there is some change. What is done is, you see here indices are, you see, specified by us. That is, index should be section D, section B, section C, section D. Okay, now let us see what is the difference. You can see here, this is the difference. Okay, this is here the difference. Indices, they become section A, section B, section C, section D. Okay, now this is the difference. Now I will show mine, how I have executed. You can see here this one, this coding. You can see here this becomes here. You can see here this one, this is it. I have passed. Okay, now here this, you see, with indices whatever object I have created, this object is printed. Okay, Now I'll show you the output. You can see here now, this is now indices are these. Okay, section A, section B, section C, section D. Okay, now we come to the next, that is next part is the example in your book. Example 24. What does it say? It says write a program to create a data frame from a list containing dictionaries of the sales performance, okay, of 4 zonal offices. Okay, zone names should be the row labels. All right, so same thing, similar thing is there. Okay, zone A, zone B, zone C, zone D, these are the dictionary. Same example, that's why I have not executed, I am just showing you from the book. Now cells becomes a 2D list which gets zone A, zone B, zone C and zone D. Okay, as you see the that is the elements of the list. Now cell DF data frame is created, object is created, and indices are zone A, zone B, zone C and zone D. Okay, because you see zone name should be the row labels. Okay, because of that it is. Okay, now here you see zone A, zone B, zone C. Okay, this is, it is saying, okay, that is these 4 should be the row names. That's why you see here indices are separately specified. Okay, now print cell DF. All right, now this is the output. You see here, this is output. You can see these become the indices. Okay.